Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open the 2D editor in Blockbench. The 2D editor is used for painting textures and creating pixel art. First, open Blockbench. In the main menu, look at the project type selector. Under the General section, click Image. This opens the 2D editor in Blockbench, which lets you create and edit pixel art directly. Select Create New Image. From here, you can freely draw and edit images using the 2D editor tools like this. And that's how to open the 2D editor in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.